So you have installed the Workspace Manager. So the next step will go into Settings and into Project and create your first project. So in this case, we're gonna create a new project called Road Bike, and you can select it directly from the tree. Notice that it is empty in OpenBOM storage. So to upload files, you can open your Workspace Manager from your computer. So it should be installed in your machine. So open the Workspace Manager. So notice that the list of projects show up and then map it to a local folder. So you can double click on right click and select map with selected project and select a folder where you have you're going to use as your uh, local storage for synchronization. So this folder does have data. So if you look into its contents, already have my CAD files. You can just click on the Smart Sync button to upload files, and in a couple of minutes you'll have that information in OpenBOM. So you can also see the progress of files being uploaded. So the job will be completed, and you can also wait while the files are being uploaded. You'll see a spinning wheel there on the top. Just waiting for that to complete. So that should take a couple of seconds, and it should be finished soon. You can refresh this window. You already the files will upload on the background. If you refresh it, you can see that you already have the file list there. All the thumbnails will be updated. So it's a very simple way to create a new project and start uploading data to OpenBOM storage. Thank you. See you on another video.